is a type of car which goes in the blood of people.
There's a new world that's being created. We unleash some beast, but at the same time it's got precision.
When you are pressing the pedal of a M car, you suddenly have goosebumps all over your body. It's something that produces a thrilling effect for you. It's something that shuts down your head, and it's a pure emotional feeling.
How can we give something which is more of an experience than they ever had with their petrol engines and make it even more exciting and make it even more joyful to drive?
So the first thing that we did, it was to try to translate in sound what is the feeling of an explosion related to sound. So very soon we began to convert to some sort of sound texture which could at the same time express force, grandness, a fusion between strength, but also a flowing energy.
So I keep thinking, we can go further with these sounds because the sportiness, the whole philosophy behind the M cars, and I think behind the drivers that drive it, is that they're a little bit more ready for a bit of an experiment, for a little bit something new and something unusual.